Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix an expired shipping label on the Depop mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Depop app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap on the sold tab to find the order with the expired label. Find and tap on the order with the problem. You will see the order details and the label status. If Depop gives you the option to regenerate label, tap the Depop will send a new label to your email and it also appear in the app under the order. If you didn't see a regenerate option, go back to the order screen and tap help or report problem, choose shipping label expired and send a quick message to Depop support, and that's it. That's how you fix an expired shipping label on Depop using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.